Welcome to the Wi-Tek Product Solution channel. Today, we will explore the capabilities of the Wi-Tek 6 GHz CPE solution for high bandwidth surveillance. Using point-to-point and point-to-multipoint networking for ultra-long video stream transmission. We will introduce this solution following these four parts: solution introduction, network architecture, product recommendation, and key feature and bill of material. First, let's explore solution introduction. Compared with traditional 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz CPE, the 6 GHz FWA can transfer up to 5 to 20 km, and offers ultra-low latency, making it more suitable for real-time applications. Here is the test data of WI-FW5620H and WI-FW5625 in coastal or remote areas where Wi-Fi interference is relatively low. Here is the test data of WI-FW5619. In actual use, it is recommended to have sufficient redundancy to ensure the actual performance. The 6 GHz CPE solution has multiple advantages, including multi-purpose network use, efficient operations, scalable solutions, flexible deployment, simple installation, and cost-effective connectivity. This solution is for an ultra-long-distance CCTV system, which supports connecting more than 50 cameras and provides a bandwidth of more than 500 megabits per second. It provides conditions, including line of sight, electricity, and internet access. It can be applied to scenarios such as outdoor squares, construction sites, factories, warehouses, community residences, and farms. As for functions, it also provides cloud service, point-to-point, and point-to-multipoint networking. Next, let's explore network architecture. This is the point-to-point and point-to-multipoint network architecture. Using 6 GHz CPEs to connect each warehouse and factory. It offers more than 10 km wireless connection. Next, let's explore product recommendations and key features. Here is the outdoor PoE switch recommendation. All models can be chosen. If some customers prefer fast Ethernet PoE switch, they should choose between WI-PCES 2060 and WI-PCES 210G0. If full gigabit is required, then should choose between WI-PCES 306G0, WI-PCES 309GF0, and WI-PCMS 310GF0 version 2. Outdoor PoE switches provide reliable performance in outdoor environments with features such as waterproof enclosure, cloud management, -30 to 60 degrees Celsius operating temperature, and 4 kV surge immunity, 6 kV or 8 kV ESD protection. The first key feature of the outdoor PoE switch. It's an all-in-one design. It provides customers with cost-effective and simple CCTV and WLAN outdoor network solutions. It replaces a simple project box, surge protector, AC to DC adapter, and PoE switch in the outdoor environment. The next key feature is remote management and configuration on the cloud. On the Wi-Tek cloud, you can operate remote monitoring and based port configuration and receive alarm notifications for your project anywhere and anytime. To meet the demands of CCTV networks, the outdoor PoE switch has unique values such as extend mode, PoE restart, ONVIF detection, and alarm notification. The next key feature is the independent smart dip switch. Through one simple dip switch, you can finish the configuration of your switch. The working mode can be configured to include extend mode, VLAN mode, and PD alive mode. Some ports of WI-PCES 309GF0 and WI-PCMS 310GF0 support 802.3 BT PoE output that makes them more compliant with PoE power devices and more flexible for project adaptation. Next is the 6 GHz FWA recommendation star. All models can be chosen, and you can choose among them. The model WI-FW5620 is a Wi-Fi 6E point-to-multipoint FWA and provides a 4,800 megabits per second wireless rate and 10 km distance for maximum. The WI-FW5625 and WI-FW5619 are point-to-point models. Both provide 2400 megabits per second wireless rate, and the difference is the transmission distance. As for Wi-Fi, FW5620H support both point-to-point and point-to-multipoint. Here is the key feature of the Wi-Fi, FW5600. This FWA supports IP65 waterproofing, 6 kV, and 8 kV of ESD protection, 8 kV of surge suppression, and -30 to 60 degrees Celsius. As for point-to-multipoint, it supports up to 32 point-to-multipoint links. Next is the model Wi-Fi anti-19-90 90 degrees dual slant antenna. Next are the key features of the 6 GHz FWA Wi-Fi, FW5625. This FWA supports IP65 waterproofing, 6 kV contact, and 8 kV air of ESD protection, 8 kV of surge suppression, and -30 to 60 degrees Celsius. As for point-to-point, it supports up to 20 km. Here is the key feature of the Wi-Fi, FW5620H. This FWA supports IP67 waterproofing, 6 kV, and 8 kV of ESD protection, 8 kV of surge suppression, and -30 to 60 degrees Celsius. As for point-to-multipoint, it supports up to 32 point-to-multipoint links. Next are the key features of FWA Wi-Fi, FW5619. This FWA supports IP67 waterproofing, 6 kV contact, and 8 kV air of ESD protection, 8 kV of surge suppression, and -30 to 55 degrees Celsius. As for point-to-point, it supports up to 15 km. Next is monitoring the central switch recommendation star. Both are recommended in 3 stars. In the center, you can choose between the Wi-Fi PCMS 310GF version 2 and the Wi-Fi CMS 310GF. The model Wi-Fi PCMS 310GF version 2 is a PoE switch that provides both Ethernet cable connection and power over Ethernet for FWA. Wi-Fi CMS 310GF is an Ethernet switch offering a wired connection for NVR and FWA. The Cloud Layer 2 switch in the monitoring center offers abundant Layer 2+ management functions and a user-friendly UI, including ERPS, DHCP service, and static routing. The next feature is cloud management, which makes your management simple, including alarm notification, remote monitoring, cloud port configuration, and eWeb. Next are robust security functions, including DOS defense, DHCP snooping, ACL, and AAA authentication. These functions ensure network data security and reliability. The last feature for monitoring the central switch is eWeb solution for the CCTV network. You can securely monitor your CCTV system anytime, anywhere on the cloud. At last, let's explore bill of material. Here is the BOM of point-to-point networking. The quantity of FWA should be chosen based on the actual use at the points. At last is the BOM of point-to-multipoint networking. Equipment model, equipment quantity, and design principles can be changed according to the actual situation of the project. Thank you for watching this episode of Wi-Tek Solution channel. If you find our content helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with more exciting content. Your support is our motivation to keep updating. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.